So today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Excel VBA macro function that will take any set of values, and if it's 0 or less, it'll change it to a red font. So here we are inside of Microsoft Excel, and I'm just going to generate some random numbers really quickly here. So generate some random numbers. It's going to be between -10 and 10. There we have it. Now, I'm going to be showing you a function that you can use to loop through all the cells, and if it is 0 or less, for instance 0 and -4, all these right here, they will change to a red font. And how you do that, go ahead and open up the VBA editor. Inside the VBA editor, what we're going to do is we're going to right click over here on our workbook. We're going to go to Insert Module. And I have this already copied over, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in. And this is our very simple macro that will allow us to change the font color from black to red. And all it does is it loops through the entire selection that we have, and then it will change the value if it's less than 0 to the color red. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to have this brought up over here. I'm going to select my range. Let's go back over to our VBA and I'm going to hit play. And as you can see, the values that are less than 0 are now in the font of red. Now, like I said, you can use that VBA to your heart's content if you want. However, that VBA code actually came from a product that we have called CelTools. CelTools is a Microsoft Excel add-in that has so many functions and features that we couldn't even list them all on our website. We have things like converting numbers into text, or even currency of numerical column values into numbers, conditional formatting for rows and columns, removing formatting. We have the ability to swap rows, generate random numbers, switch first names and last names, shuffle rows and columns, put columns in between other columns or rows in between other columns, emailing your workbooks. We have VLOOKUP windows that will allow you to make VLOOKUPs and matches and indexes super easy and simple. We even have the ability to create printable sections of your workbook, including the ability to put it into HTML and even JPEGs. We even have simple basic 3D graphing inside of CelTools. So yeah, CelTools does a lot, and you can do a lot with it because it's made so easy and simple. If you want to try CelTools out for yourself, jump on over to our website where you can download your free trial of CelTools right now. And you can see all the functions that are available as well as a breakdown of each one. The trial version is completely free, and there's so many free features inside the trial version that most people will be perfectly satisfied using that. If you feel like that you might need CelTools, or CelTools make your life easier, go ahead, jump over to our website, download the free trial of it. If you can get by with the free version, then by all means use that. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of great tech videos and releases. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.